Nyanglish with Leo. Halloween. What are you going to wear for Halloween? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.